Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram map if it's not showing. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and check out your Play Store or App Store, okay? Open it up. Once done, look for Instagram, okay? Just use the search bar and type in Instagram. Now, if you can see an update button right here, just go ahead and tap on it, wait for it to update, and once done, open it up from here. And after that, you should be good to go, okay? You should be able to spot it right here in the Instagram app, DM icon at the top right here besides your node, okay? Now, if it's still not showing, make sure that you have given the necessary permission, okay? For example, just locate the Instagram app, tap and hold on it. Now tap on the information icon, okay? Now tap on permissions. Now in here, just look for location, tap on it. Now just allow it, okay? Once done, go ahead and check it out if it helps. Now if that doesn't work, open up the Instagram app. Now you're gonna wanna go ahead and log out, okay? Tap on 3 horizontal lines right here at the top right and scroll all the way down and find log out. Once logged out, just log back in and check if it helps, okay? If that doesn't work, well, the last thing that you need to try here is to uninstall the app itself, okay? Tap and hold. If you're using iOS, just tap on remove. Then in here for Android, just tap on uninstall, okay? Once uninstalled, go ahead over to your Play Store or respective app store, okay? Again, look for Instagram. Now reinstall it. And once done, your Instagram map should show now. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.